Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to make failstacks in Black Desert Online. Failstacks are a core mechanic that boosts your chances of successfully enhancing your gear. Essentially, every time an enhancement attempt fails, you accumulate a failstack on your character. The more failstacks you have, the higher your success rate for subsequent enhancements becomes. This system is vital for progressing your equipment, so understanding it is key to efficient gearing. To begin building failstacks, we start with low-cost items like Reblath armor. Purchase several pieces of Reblath from a blacksmith. Your goal is to enhance a plus 14 Reblath item, as it has a high chance to fail, granting you failstacks. When its durability drops, simply repair it using other Reblath pieces. This method is very economical for generating your first 1 to 22 failstacks, preparing you for more significant enhancements. Once you have your initial failstacks, it's time to move to green-grade gear like Heave or Grunel for mid-range stacks. For PRI enhancements, aim for 22 to 28 failstacks. DUO attempts are best with 28 to 36 stacks. When going for TRI, use 36 to 44 failstacks. For TET, you'll want 45 to 110 stacks. Finally, for those challenging PEN attempts, gather 100 to 250 failstacks to maximize your success probability. Effective failstack management is crucial. Advice of Valks are incredibly useful, providing a set amount of failstacks instantly to a character. Valk's Cry items can further boost your current failstack by 1 point each, up to a maximum of 10. If you accumulate a high failstack on a character, but don't need it immediately, you can extract it into an Advice of Valk's scroll at a blacksmith. This allows you to save and transfer valuable failstacks for future, more critical enhancement attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.